You're welcome to VINDAL'S Academy. Now look at the shape of the question. It said in the diagram, angle PSR is 22 degrees. So this angle is 22 degrees. Then they said that SPQ is 58 and PQR is 41. This place. It said calculate the obtuse angle QRS. All right. Now, first of all, I'm going to redraw this diagram to set it up the way I would like it to do it so that it will be easier for me. The obtuse angle QRS. Remember, there are two angles here. There is one here, QRS. Remember, this place is the R. There is the outside angle and there is also inside angle. So which of them are we interested in? And the one we want to find is the one we call the QRS. All right. We are going to solve it, then at the end we'll see what is going to be the answer. So let's go. Now, I said the first time I am going to redraw the shape. So this is the angle, and I am going to complete this shape. So completing the shape, I still have my SP and I have Q. This place is T58 and this place is 22 and this place is 41. So this is the R I am talking about. So let me call this place A and call this place B. All right. Now I'm going to say in the angle or the triangle SPQ, I'm going to conclude that the sum of angles in a triangle. So we have sum of angles in a triangle because you see, if you look at here, from there to here is one angle. Then from here is another triangle, another angle, and then this is another angle. So there are three angles in a triangle, and sum of angles in a triangle is 180. So I'm going to have 22 plus A in brackets, plus I'm going to have 58, then plus 41 plus V. Everything is going to be what? 180. And I cannot just write 180. I'm going to use a bracket to tell us why this equation was formed. I'm going to say sum of angles in a triangle. That is it. So what am I going to do? I'm going to add all of them. So I'm going to have 22 plus 58 plus 41 is going to be 121. Then plus A, then plus B, everything is going to be 180 degrees. All right, so this is going to be equal to A plus B is going to be equal to 180 minus 121. Then I'm going to have that A plus B is equal to 59. And this is my first equation. That is my first equation. So my first equation here, excuse me. So my first equation here, my first equation here is going to be A plus B is equal to 59. Equation 1. Then going back to the triangle, I'm going to have another angle, which is SRQ. S, R, and Q. It is here, monthly found. So let me trace the triangle I'm talking about. This S, R, and Q. Got the triangle here. So inside this triangle, I'm going to form another equation. And the equation is going to be in the triangle SRQ, which I've showed you. I'm going to have that angle QRS plus A plus B is equal to 180 degrees. Now, that means angle QRS plus, remember, everything A plus B is going to be 59, which is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, the angle QRS is going to be equal to 180 minus 59. This implies that QRS is going to be equal to is going to be equal to 121 degrees. Therefore, the given angle we are looking for is 121, and this is the angle 121. So QRS is 121 degrees. Thank you for being part of this class. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like the video, and also comment.